All right, guys. So we back home. I already done brought out the drill and everything, and I put everything up. So as you can see, like right there where you see the arrow pointing, I need to put something there. See that little spot right there underneath the chain? I need to put something there. Possibly could put something there at the top. You know. So if you guys, like I said in my previous video about the Cane's Corner right here, if you guys have any items, send them. I'll put them on there. I'll let everybody know, hey, this came from such and such, and it is what it is. Hey, man, go Canes. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching. Hit that like button.